How to delete cookies and sites data on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser, and here we'll find these three lines in the bottom corner. Click on it, and then just click Settings here. And after you click on it, just scroll down until you find this one here, personal browsing data. Click on it and click delete browsing data. Now just select all and select this one, cookies and site data, and then just click this one, delete data, and it will be deleted. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.